Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate battery saver on Realme C67 device. When battery saver is enabled, the device performance is optimized to reduce power consumption. This includes limiting background process, reducing screen brightness, and disabling certain features that consume a significant amount of power. And then the way to do that on this device. First thing first, open please the control center on your device. Okay, and then you can activate battery saver here. Okay, and then for the second way, you can open the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, here you can scroll down. Okay, and then you can select battery option here. After that, you can choose battery saver. And then here you can activate it by pressing this button. Okay, and then now the battery saver on your device is successfully active. Well, that's the tutorial on how to activate battery saver on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.